Welcome to our room. Let's check out the bathroom. So pretty decent bathroom. We've got plenty of shelving space for items, a medicine cabinet for toiletries. The shower has 2 shelves. It is a curtain shower, and it gets the job done for us. Across from the bathroom is the closet, which had plenty of space for both of our clothes, each of our clothes, and shelving and luggage. Life vests for emergencies. Pretty standard. And plenty of shelving space. Comes with hairdryer, tissues. We didn't use any of these other drawers, but there's plenty of other cabinets. And a safe. We love the little tiny love seat. You can sit and watch TV, but we didn't really do a lot of that. And bed was actually pretty comfy, and they fold it, or they do your bed twice a day. And then the best part is the balcony. When we booked our room, we spurged on a balcony, and we carefully chose one with that best met our needs. We wanted something more private and something with the most space. And this one said it was an obstructed view, and we kind of took a chance thinking that this would actually be more private than obstructive, and it actually is. All the balconies near us do not come out as far, and this has just been awesome.